Hi, wonderful people. Welcome back to today's video. This is Class Leader Fashion Trends, and here I just want to run out quickly. Okay, I'm making a little tutorial on those gilly tying. Okay, if you are coming across this channel for the very first time, you're highly welcome.
And to our returning subscribers, I want to say a huge thank you. So today I'm tying the simple gilly style. This is 3 yards of Ankara fabric. It's about 108 inches long, and so it has 3 colors: green, blue, and pink. So,
Wonderful. So, guys, wonderful people. Um, let's see. Going to tie this. Some of us are actually camera shy. Someone like me, I don't know. I just that kind of camera shy. So what I did first of all was just to fold it and then fold the tip of it. Okay, fold the tip of the Ankara fabric this manner. Okay, and then I take it from front to the back.
so amazing people, this is Gilly 1. So I'm quickly going to tie the second style, and please rate your favorite in the comment section. And then don't forget to share your opinion about this style, okay? So this particular one, I have to fold the fabric into the exact two. I fold it into equal two. Remember, I'm actually using 3 yards, so take it from front. Still, I find it comfortable tying gilly from front. I don't know why. Some people, there are a lot of styles you can actually style even from taking it from the other side of the head, but I'm more comfortable tying this way. So then what I do is arrange the ends, fold the ends very well. Okay. So amazing people, this is a second gilly style. What do you think? What's your rating for this particular style? Don't forget to share your favorite with me in the comment section and give a thumbs up if you actually like this video. Thank you, wonderful people, for staying in tune. I appreciate you. There's actually no there's no plain fabric that you can actually not rock the style with. You can rock it with pink, blue, or even green, just like, or lemon. Okay, so share with me your favorite in the comment section. I appreciate you all for staying till this very end. Thank you, wonderful people.
Now, can you rate it over 10? The first or the second? Which one would you ever try? Or if you think the two are actually nice, you can also drop that in the comment section. So amazing people, thank you for watching. Bye. See you some other time.